Welcome back, everyone. We're just going to do a quick little video for you today. Review of the Dyna Glow 50,000 to 80,000 BTU heater. Let's hit that intro. Alright, everyone. Just because it's been so cold out, it's been in the single digits here in Minnesota for a while now. I had to go out and pick out a better garage heater. The Ryobi one just doesn't cut it when it's single digits cold out. It just does not have enough BTUs or force. Doesn't matter if you plug it into the extension cord or the 9 amp hour battery. It still doesn't kick out enough heat. I mean, it's great for small applications when it's not super cold. But I need some serious BTUs to warm up this garage. So I went out and picked up this bad boy. This is the Dyna Glow portable heater. You don't need electricity with it. You just plug it right in to your LP tank. Ooh, fancy. Directions right on top. Ooh, with the bolts. It's nice. It comes with a nice long hose and regulator. Nice. All right. Hook the hose up. I'm dying for some heat, man. I am chilly. These are standard righty, tighty, lefty, loosey threads on this one. I'll make sure you tighten this down. You do not want to blow yourself up. Okay. Just hand tighten it. You don't want to crank it down and strip the threads out. They are brass. So it does say on the box to make sure you give it a good 4-foot radius around it so you don't catch nothing on fire. Alright, ready to start this bad boy up. So this is a great garage heater, shop heater if you have a large area to heat up. It goes from 50,000 to 80,000 BTU. It's pretty good on the propane too. It doesn't just suck the tank down like crazy. But I did go out and get a 40-gallon LP tank, which holds 9.6 pounds of fuel, compared to the 20-pound, which holds 4.5 or 4.6 or something like that. I don't freaking know. Can't remember. Anyways, it recommends running this on a 30-pound to bigger propane tank. But it will work on a 20-pound. Like I said, auto igniter does not need electricity. It goes from 50,000 to 80,000 BTU. Pretty slick little heater. I like it. Anyways, I highly recommend it. It was $100 at the Home Depot, and it comes with this great 12-foot long hose and regulator, which is great. So if you don't have power, it's a great buy. Doesn't need batteries, doesn't need power, just propane, and you're good to go. Alright guys, now I want to do a quick shout out to all my new subscribers. This is just in the last couple weeks what I could find on the thing. Now, if your profile is set to private, your name doesn't come up when you subscribe. Only if you have a public profile does your name come up. This is no particular order. Just want to give a shout out because I really appreciate you guys. Jacob, Sebastian, Mark Potter, Rothbag, Dan Gomez, Yezemite 12, Mike Beaver, Derma, Witcham, Brendan Joseph, Ichabon 2.0, Hector Toledo, appreciate the comments, man, and the support. Silver Street 1, Richard Hernandez, Jonathan Pinna, Mr. King Shack 365. I'm sure I'm butchering these, but thank you very much. Troy Burks, Mark V, is it CHOIYJ, KY Fields 1973, JN McCall. Oh, you asked me the questions about my Makita Bluetooth speaker. It's not a bad speaker. It ranged 30 feet. I mean, it's not super good. I could not walk around the house with my phone in my pocket and continue to listen to it, that's for sure. Richard McGonigal, Mike Haston, Hasten, Dan Bear Dagan, EJI Watanabal, Jeff Parker, Twiglets, that's a good name. Some of these screen names crack me up, guys. 24 JIFLE, Jake Creech, Tom Martin, So Kinnicole, oh no, that's hilarious, and LUK3D5H. And then I had one more new one today. A couple new subscribers today. Appreciate all you guys. Rock. So that's just the last 33 subscribers in the last week or two that it says who you are. Usually it's private because I've got a lot more subscribers, but it only lists your name if your profile is set to public. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I think I'll get this out before New Year's. I think I have one day. Should I be out tonight or tomorrow? Dyna Glow 50,000 80,000 BTU heater. 2 consumer thumbs up. I highly recommend it. It's great. Heats the shop up fairly quickly. When I came out here, it was 32 degrees, and it's already up to about 60 degrees. It's been about 20 minutes. All right, everyone. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for the support. Until next time, see you.